Somali culture and heritage. Somali culture and heritage are rich historical legacies passed down through generations. They define the identity of the Somali people and encompass various aspects of daily life, including language, poetry, food, marriage, ceremonies, games, clothing, and traditions. Language and oral literature. The Somali language is rich in oral literature, which plays a significant role in preserving history, educating society, and entertaining people. Some key forms of Somali oral literature include Gabay, poetry, the most prestigious form of Somali poetry, used for conveying wisdom, storytelling, and social commentary. Gira, short poetry, a simpler form of poetry that does not follow strict poetic rules. Buranbur, women's poetry, a unique poetic form mainly performed by women during ceremonies and social events. Hizaha, songs. Somali songs vary based on occasions such as wedding songs, camel herding songs, and travel songs. Somali cuisine. Somali cuisine reflects the country's culture, environment, and nomadic lifestyle. Some of the most popular traditional Somali dishes include kanjiro, fermented pancake, a staple dish often eaten with stew or milk. Maria's yohilib, rice and meat, a spiced rice dish commonly served with meat and vegetables. Mukmad, preserved meat, dried, fried meat that can be stored for a long time, often used during long journeys. Marak, Somali soup, a flavorful soup made with meat, vegetables, and spices. Cha Yobun, tea and coffee, popular beverages, often spiced with cardamom and cinnamon. Marriage and celebrations. Marriage and social ceremonies are important aspects of Somali culture. Some of the key events related to marriage and family life include Miha, marriage contract, a formal agreement before the wedding. Arus, wedding celebration, a grand event with music, dancing, and feasting. Soamanta, coming-of-age ceremony, a traditional celebration marking a child's transition to maturity. Gudnian, circumcision ceremony, a controversial practice still observed in some Somali communities. Traditional games and entertainment. Somalis have various traditional games that serve as entertainment and social bonding activities. Some of these include Hanto, traditional dance, a vibrant group dance performed to Somali folk music. Janhir, traditional dance, a dance that involves coordinated rhythmic movements. Istunka, stick fighting, a combat sport played in coastal towns like Kismayo and Barawe. Fadafu, horse racing, a competitive event showcasing Somali horsemanship. Traditional clothing and adornments. Somali traditional attire varies between men and women. Men's clothing includes the makawis, sarong, kufiad, cap, and a light shawl. Women's clothing includes the guntino, wrap dress, gabasa, shawl, and dirak, long dress. Somali women also use henna and wear gold jewelry as part of their beauty traditions. Religion and customs. Islam has a significant influence on Somali culture, shaping traditions and daily practices. Some important religious customs include daily prayers, salah, fasting during Ramadan Sunnah, celebrating Islamic holidays, Eid festivals, community life and family bonds, social structure and traditional laws. Somali society is organized around clans and traditional laws. The key aspects include Elders' Council, Odayasha, respected leaders who mediate disputes, Zia, customary law, a traditional legal system governing land, marriage, and social relations. Conclusion. Somali culture and heritage are deeply rooted in history and tradition. While modernization has influenced some aspects, preserving and promoting Somali cultural values is crucial for future generations. The Somali people take pride in their rich oral traditions, hospitality, and strong sense of community.